Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create this build your own gift box page on your Shopify store. Hi there, my name is Jure from NeatMerchant. Before we go over how to build this page, let's quickly go over how this page works. So on my store I have this build your own bundle page where I can go and create my boxes. So I have 3 steps, as you can see here. On the first step I can pick my box. For example, let's say I pick this one. On the second step I can pick the products that go into my box. Let's say I pick these 3 products, then I can go next. And on the last step I can optionally add some data. For example, this is all configurable, of course. Everything can be edited inside the app that I'm about to show you, and then we can click finish. And then after a moment, everything gets bundled together into this bundle where we have the box we selected, we have the different products we selected. They're all broken down into individual units for proper inventory tracking. And if I were to now order this, you'd receive an order, you would see all this data, and will be able to fulfill this order to a customer. To create this nice looking build your own box page, we're going to use this app called NeatBundles. This is a bundle builder mix and match bundles app, which basically allows you to create these full page, build your own bundle experiences, build your own box experiences, or however you want to call them. First thing you want to do is install the app. I already did that. Once you install the app on your store and went through a short onboarding, which is going to guide you through creating your first bundle, a very, very simple bundle, then you will come to a page looking like this. And from here, we'll create our build your own box page. To create it, we need to create a bundle. We can do that by clicking this add bundle button. Then this page will open up, and here we need to select which kind of experience we want to have. Since we are having the build your own box page, it's probably the best to either select this guided bundle or gift box. So the main difference is that with simple mix and match bundle type, there's only like one page where your customers can come and add products to their bundle. With guided, there are multiple of these steps, and a customer can add products on each step. Gift box is pretty much the same. It's just that you can add input fields on those steps to collect data. So depending on what you need. In this case, I won't need to collect any input data, so I'm gonna select guided bundle. Once you selected yours, click next. Then we need to add the name for our bundle. I'm gonna name it like this. You can name it whatever you want. Just make sure to use something descriptive, because this will appear in the checkout, then your customers will see this. Then we click next. Then here you need to select a discount. I'm gonna stick with 15%. Once you're happy with your selection, click finish. Once that is done, we'll be redirected to a page looking like this. Here we'll add steps to create build your own box experience. So the experience that we want to replicate is the one I showed you in the beginning. So we'll have 2 steps, one to select the box, and the second one to build a box, add products that go into that box. To do that, we need to add 2 steps. Let's create the first step. First thing we have to do is pick the title for the first step. I'm going to call it pick your box, and I'm going to leave the description empty. Then we click create step. Then you'll be redirected to a page like this. Here we need to select the products that are shown on the first step. Since we want to allow customer to select boxes, we're going to select different types of boxes. Once you are done with your selection, click select. Then when we are here, we can just click save, and that's the first step done. We can now go back, and let's now add the second step. We click on second step, and then we need to enter the title again. I'm going to use this as my title, and I'm going to again leave the description empty. You can enter some data that's helpful in the description, for example, like choose between 3 or 5 products or something like that. Once you're done with that, click create step. Then we are redirected to a similar page. We again need to click select products, and now we need to select the products that appear on the second step. I select a couple of skincare products. Once you are done with your selection, click select, and once you are done with all of that, click save. And that's the second step done. We can now go back again, and when we are here, there's just one last thing we have to do, is we need to go to here to visibility. We need to toggle it from draft to active. We can now click save, and once that is saved, our bundle is live, and we can click view on storefront button, and that will open our build your own box page. And as you can see, everything is pretty much done. So we have 2 steps. On the first step, we need to pick our box. Then we can go next. On the second step, we can pick the products that go into our box. Let's say I pick these 3 products, and if I click finish, everything will get bundled together into a bundle and lead us straight to either checkout or a cart. And that's something that can be configured inside the settings of the app. And that was pretty much it for the tutorial. I showed you how to create this nice looking build your own box page using this app called NeatBundles. Make sure to give this app a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.